This is the MomMed electric bottle brush cleaner set, and I have to say, I think this is ingenious. It is such a fantastic and useful tool to have in your collection if you are bottle feeding your baby. So what makes this so fantastic? Let's dive on in and take a look. So firstly, it comes in this really handy storage unit. You have this container base here is actually doubles as a drying rack. So if you are traveling or just want to dry your bottle brush in the kitchen, you can tip the water out after. It drains nice and cleanly, which I love. Then this is the part that I think is fantastic. So it looks almost like an electric toothbrush, and you can take the different heads on it. So this is your mixer head, and you simply pop it on. And if you are wanting to mix your baby formula, you can take your baby bottle, use this, and it almost acts as a wand. So you simply mix it around. What's great is that there are also 2 levels to it, or 2 speeds. So you can tap the button for your slower, tap it again, and it goes faster. The 3rd tap turns it off. So you have your mixing head. Then you have your bottle brush cleaner. So once you have finished feeding your baby and it's time to clean out your bottle, you simply again pop that in, run it around the edges. It is so easy to use. This is made out of a really soft silicone, so you're not going to scratch your bottles. And it's really great because they're so movable. They'll get in around all the bits and pieces to get off your breast milk or baby formula. Then you have the nipple cleaner head. So this, when you are taking, sorry, I've still got the lid on this. There we go. You've got your baby bottle nipple, and this is perfectly angled so you can get right on in. You can see it goes right into the nipple bit. Give it a really good clean. There is also your pipette, so you can get right on through, clean all the little bits extra that you might want to clean. That comes part of your set, which honestly, this is just so useful. Then what else I really love is it is USB-C charged. So it is as simple as popping that in there to charge it. Make sure the power's turned on. You can see the red light when it is charging. There's a blue light once it is fully charged. And once you are all done, you can again put it aside in your drying rack. Once it is all dried though, let me get these out the way. Pop them back on. Here is one of the features I think just sets this apart. So you pop it all back into your super handy storage container. Makes it really great if you are traveling. And then up on the top on this lid, you have a UV light to help kill bacteria and keep these ultra hygienic. Really think this is such a great set to have on hand if you are bottle feeding your baby. It just is so convenient. I love how compact it is. They really have thought of everything when it comes to bottle cleaning. Hope this review helps. Thanks.